Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So I am finishing up my paper pumpkin alternatives for October 2024 kit called Nest of Christmas. This is alternative video number 28, guys. We're closing in on it. So this is a look at what you could have made. You would have made 10 cards, 2 of each design. It coordinates with Nest of Winter in the mini catalog. This QR code will lead you to a video to show you how to put these cards together as they were designed. This one will show you how to purchase a set of 3 dies called add-ons that were called the Merry Tags and More that coordinate with October, November, and December. Visual of everything in the kit, the coordinating colors, and videos 1 through 5 I show you everything that comes in the kit. So here's a look at our stamp set: the evergreen branch, the speckles, the cardinal, Merry Christmas, the berries, or salmon eggs as I like to call them, happy holidays, and joyful thoughts to you this season. Guys, this one is going to be different. It's going to be a really quick one. So if you guys have ever seen DSP, which are basically cut aparts like this, they do them for just about all the holidays. Phyllis sent me this piece here, and I'm going to use it to show you how quick you can put a Christmas card together. So this is video number 8. I have a white envelope. I have a white card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Now I do have to take a look at some measurements. So I have another piece of DSP. This had stockings. It coordinated with this cut apart piece that I did. So layer number 1 is 4 by 5 1/4. Layer number 2 is that rectangle frame from the kit, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5, right? Do you see what we're doing? You could have done the stockings, but I mean, that's super darling as well, right? But the stripes really look best. Excuse me. But like I said, the stripes. So layer, now I got a cough. Layer number 3 is 3 1/8 by 3 7/8. That's just to back this little cute little guy. It says Merry Christmas with the cute little reindeer and Santa, which is 3 by 3 3/4. This is so quick, so easy. So we are just going to glue this piece down. Any cut apart can be done like this. You could even use the Memories and More pack to do something similar to this. You could make your own frame with layering dies. I'm just using things, guys, that I have, and I want to show you something a little different to do, right? Something, maybe you have some of this DSP-like stuff that you have in your stash, or maybe you just have a few pieces from an old project that can be used. You don't even have to use a frame. You could just use pieces of DSP. So there it is. Now we're going to layer these 2 pieces up. I think this type of cardstock is great, these cut aparts, for quick Christmas cards if you're in a pinch. The Memories and More are great for things like this as well. I did not purchase this year's just because, you know, I can't get every single thing. And look at that. I'm just going to glue it straight down to the center. But those of you who do have it, you could probably put it right in here. Now you could go at an angle. I want it to look like it's in the frame. And that's all there is to this. Now we are going to stamp on the inside. And oh, how I would love to stamp this again. Wishing you a very happy Christmas filled with fun and laughter, because they're singing, right? We're going to try it. I'm a little like worried if I can't get it straight, but we're not going to have anything like this on it. We're going to go this way. So hopefully this time I can get it straight. Now we are going to do it in black memento this time. All right. Hopefully I get it straight this time around. I'm not going to do anything else on the inside. This one's really, really simple. Oh, finally redeemed myself. Okay. See how simple that is? Black, because the front is black. So we are going to continue the black theme with it. We're just going to stamp Merry Christmas again because it's quick, it's easy. Right there, that's it. Oh my goodness, it's not even a 10-minute video, guys. But hey, do I put something? Nope, we're going to leave it. We are going to leave it just quick, simple, and we are going to use some Wink Estella on the reindeer and the Santa. Let's just do the book as well. The Christmas carols. I'm not doing anything else. Doesn't mean this isn't just as lovely as some others. It's just to show you what you can do with something simple. You could put more embellishments on there. You could do it, but it just speaks to me. It's very vintage, which you guys know I love. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick, simple one. Maybe you have something similar in your stash you can use. And I would be tickled pink to get a card like this. It's very nostalgic for me. They speak to me, this type of card. So thanks for watching, everybody. And please come back and visit me in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.